All right, guys. So I am back with another Boxy Charm unboxing. I think this is the way that I'm going to do the videos because I really don't feel like being on camera, honestly. But I did receive my package today, and this is the Boxy Charm for the month of June. Whoa. All right. So the theme of this month is express yourself. All right, and the first item I received is by Voss. It is the Sun Kissed eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. I really like this packaging. I think it's really cute. I love the pictures. Oh my gosh. I love the colors that they chose. Ooh, look at those beautiful colors. Oh my goodness. I really love the shimmer. These colors are so beautiful. All right, you guys, and this is the next item that I received. It's liquid glass. This is for my hair. Honestly, I was a little confused. Okay. Oh, okay, Lord. So is this a heat protectant? It is. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a heat protectant. Why am I so slow? I don't know. But this is a heat protectant. Ooh, I cannot wait to use this. I've been thinking about blow drying my hair and flat ironing it again. And I'm going to do it myself this time. Okay, guys, and the next item is by Moonlit. It is a lipstick pencil. I really love the design on this pencil. It's so cute. This is the color. And that is what it looks like on my skin. Sorry, I started swatching the eyeshadow palette. Gave up. But that pigment, oh, look at that. But yes, this is what the lip pencil looks like. Honestly, I am more of a fan of darker colors. Like, I really just like the darker colors. Because I don't really feel like this color goes with my skin. I might still try it though. All right, guys, and the next item I'm really excited about, it is Kismet Polished Lip Plumping Gloss. I love it when I receive lip oils or lip gloss in these boxy charms. I really love that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try it. Mm-mm. Look at my hair. Beautiful. But this, why does it gotta be pink? What do you guys think? No? All right, guys, and the last item I received in this box is by Volition? Volition? Is it Volition or Volition? Sorry, y'all. Okay, anyways, it is the Turmeric Brightening Polish. It is for your face and body. Ooh. Now, I cannot wait to try this product out. I really love the packaging. I love the colors that they used. But yes, I am excited about that. Okay. So it is nice and smooth. I really like the way it feels. Okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this unboxing. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you want to be, hit the subscription button down below, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.